Welcome back to my Talk and Tone workout series. These are low impact workouts that are thyroid and beginner friendly. For the entire workout series, which also does have its own playlist on my channel, you only require 2 dumbbells between 2 to 5 pounds. If you are a beginner, start with 2 pounds. I use 5 pounds for all the movements. Today we're actually doing a shoulder workout. So first thing we're going to do is warm up our shoulders, which sit in the socket, and get some rotation going. So you're going to make a little thumbs up as so. Point your thumbs forward and we're going to start making spirals. As you are turning your arms forward, you're going to go into bigger and bigger spirals, keeping those thumbs pointed forward. Go as large as you can. Really feel that blood coming into the shoulders. And then when you're ready, you're going to start going into smaller and smaller spirals. Good job. Feel that blood rushing to the shoulders. Good. Now we're going to point the thumbs backwards and we're going to go into larger spirals backwards. Keep going, bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. Good. Now let's go into smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller. Good job. And rest. Okay, now we're going to start with Y raises. The first round we're going to do, you don't need to use any weight, but the next round we're going to use dumbbells. For Y raises, you want to point your thumbs up towards the ceiling, and all we're doing is pushing the hips back just a little bit, and we're making Ys. Okay, so think of this movement like a Y, but we are in this bent position with the thumbs pointed to the ceilings. So we're gonna do this a couple of times. So up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. So we got the shoulders warmed up, and then we're going to do this again. Now for those of you who feel ready, we're going to grab the dumbbells and we're going to do the next set. If you're not quite ready yet, that's okay. You can just do this with your body weight for now. So I'm going to take these dumbbells. Okay, now we're just hinging the hip back. Don't round the back, okay? Just push the hip back, keep the chest nice and tall, and we're going to raise our arms up. 1, nice and slow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. All right, take a little breather. If at any point you need to stop to drink water, please do so. I'm trying to make these workouts at a relatively slower pace, so when you require a larger rest period, I will talk a little bit more. I know someone left a comment saying I talk too much, but this workout series is called Talk and Tone because it's meant to be low intensity, low impact, and we're going at a relatively slower pace, which is also beginner friendly. So let's grab the dumbbells and do the third round. I would recommend we all try and do this round with the dumbbells. So ready, hinge back, chest nice and tall, and we're gonna raise up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one more time, and 8. Very nice. So now we're going to come down on our knee. We're going to kneel like this. So 1 foot up, 1 knee down. You're going to hold the dumbbell in front of the shoulder here, chest nice and tall, chin up. Okay, you want to look straight ahead. And as you breathe in, you're going to hold that dumbbell here, get nice and stable. Exhale and punch the ceiling, but you're directing towards where the ceiling and the wall meet. So we're punching at an angle, okay? We've discussed this before. It's better for your shoulder health not to press vertically up. So breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Good. Breathe in, exhale. Good job. 2 more times. Breathe in, exhale. One more time, breathe in and exhale. Very nice. Now we're going to switch to the other side. And I often like to switch dumbbells, so this way we're making use of all the equipment, okay? So step forward, kneel. Okay, nice tall posture, chin up, dumbbell in front of the body, breathe in and exhale, press. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Good job. Breathe in, exhale. Let's do 2 more. Breathe in, exhale. 1 more, breathe in and exhale. Very nice. Okay, when you're ready, let's come back to the first side. We're stepping forward with the opposite side that's holding the weight, okay? So that counterbalance can also really help work on our core stability. Breathe in here and exhale. Punch where the wall and the ceiling meet, 45 degrees-ish. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Exhale. Breathe in, exhale. 2 more, breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, punch. Breathe in and punch. Good job. Let's switch sides. And again, I'm switching dumbbells. Why not? Okay, ready? So dumbbell in front of the shoulder, nice tall posture, chin up, breathe in, punch. Breathe in, punch. Breathe in, punch. Good. Breathe in. Breathe in. 2 more. 1 more. Good job. We're going to do 1 more round on each side, and then we're going to move on to the next exercise. Knee down, dumbbell up, chest nice and tall, chin up as well. Breathe in, exhale. Good. Breathe in. Punch. Punch. 2 more. 1 more. Good job. Let's do the other side. Knee up, okay? Chin up, nice tall posture. Breathe in. Breathe in. Exhale, punch. Breathe in. Exhale, punch. Breathe in. Punch. Good. Punch. 2 more times. Breathe in. Punch. 1 more time. And punch. Good job. All right. Take a short break, have some water, and we're going to stand up for the next exercise. So for the next exercise, we're going to put our arms beside our bodies. Our palms are facing in. We're going to raise the arms up, but you're not raising them directly beside you. You're raising them at a slight angle, okay? And at the top, we're kind of like pouring out the water a little bit. So you do a little tilt at the top. Do you see how I'm doing that? So up and tilt, and we're gonna raise both the arms together. We're breathing in as we're lifting. Ready? So breathe in. 1. Make sure you are tilting at the top. 2. 3. See how I'm tilting? 4. 5. 6. 2 more. 7 and 8. It's really important you control the lift and the drop. You don't want to come up and then just drop your arms right away. You want to lift up and go 1, 2, tempo down. Really control both the concentric and eccentric part of the movement, okay? Let's do this again, but now we're gonna do 10 repetitions. You guys ready? Up and tilt, lift at an angle, don't lift right beside you, okay? Let's go. 1, control down. 2, control down. 3 and tilt, control down. 4 and tilt, control. 5 and tilt. 1, 2. 6 and tilt. 1, 2. 7 and tilt. 1, 2. 8 and tilt. 1, 2. 2 more. Up, tilt. 1, 2. 1 more. Up, tilt, and down. Good job. You feel it? I feel it. You guys ready? Let's do the last round before we move on to the next exercise. We're standing nice and tall. We're gonna do the last round 10 times. We got this, okay? Remember, up at an angle, tilt, 1, 2, tempo down. Up at an angle, 1, 2. Up at an angle, 1, 2. Up and tilt, 1, 2. Let's go. Up and tilt, 1, 2. Up and tilt, 1, 2. We got 3 more. Up and tilt, 1, 2. 2 more. Up and tilt, 1, 2. 1 more. Up and tilt, and 1, 2. Good job. All right, we're building nice, healthy shoulders. Do these workouts or exercises also work the arms? Absolutely. But today we're just trying to focus a little bit more around the shoulder health, the upper back health, and help you build nice, strong upper body. Okay? Now we're going to do front raises. For front raises, I would recommend start with 1 dumbbell. And if this feels really easy, the next set, grab the other one, okay? So for this one, you're holding the dumbbell right here. Shoulders are down and away from the ears. Always make sure your shoulders are relaxed. You don't want to be up here. Nice relaxed shoulders. And all we're doing is we're raising the arms up about shoulder height, not higher, just about shoulder height, and 1, 2 tempo down, okay? So up, 1, 2, okay? 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. Good job. Control that descent. 6, 7. Do it with me. Nice and controlled. 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Now, if you want, you can use 2 dumbbells for the next round. If you're not quite ready, we're gonna use the same dumbbell 1 more time. And for the 3rd round, let's go a little bit hard and use both. You know what I mean? Okay. If you need to pause the video, have a drink of water, please do that. You shouldn't be feeling out of breath. You shouldn't be feeling severely exhausted, but you might be feeling it in your shoulders just a little bit, okay? All right, ready? Nice tall posture, big breath. Lift those arms up. 1, 2, down. 2, 1, 2, down. 3, good. 4, 1, 2, down. 5, 6, good, good, good. Control that drop. 7, don't rush it. 8, 9, one more time, and 10. Very nice. All right, we're going to go on to our last set. But for the last set, we're gonna try and use both the dumbbells. The difference now is that your palms are gonna face each other and you're lifting straight up like this. You're not lifting this way, okay? So we're putting our arms and our hands in a neutral grip. So breathe in, control, lift, down, good. 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, control it, down, 7, good, 8, very nice, 9, and one more, control, 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 and rest. have some water, catch your breath, and we're going to do our last exercise for the day. So for the last exercise, we're going to do something called a reverse fly, which really helps work on the rear delts. This is also really good for your posture, for opening up your chest, helping bring more tightness and strength to your back as well. So what we're going to do for this is we're going to hold on to the dumbbells. You want to hinge back. Learning how to hinge is so important, not only for training, but also your day-to-day life. So you're hinging back just a little bit, and all we're doing with our palms facing one another is you're lifting out that way and then slowly bringing down. You don't want to be like swinging your arms or your body aggressively. Control the movement. We're only going to do this 6 times today. If it feels too difficult, you can do it without any dumbbells, or if you have a lighter set, you can use that too. Okay, just 6 times. Ready? Breathe in. 1, 2. Breathe in. 3, 4, 5. One more. Breathe in. And 6. Good job. If you can do more, you can go up to 8 reps, but let's get your body used to this movement, being in that hinge position. And a lot of you might find you're struggling with rear delt movements. That's also normal. Okay, let's go again. So hinge back, chest out, nice tall posture. Breathe in and open up. Control down. 2, control down. 3, control down. 4, control down. 5, and 6. Actually, let's do 8. 7, one more, and 8. Good job. We're going to do this exercise one more time, and then we're done for the day. Always remember, I'm posting videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Please make sure you let me know if you have any questions or feedback, which may include that there's a lot of talking, which is the premise of these videos, unfortunately. Okay, you guys ready? Let's do the last one. Open up. 1, 2, 3. Do you see how my elbows are bent? 4, 5. So we can do 6 and you can stop here. If not, let's do 2 more. 7, one more, and 8. Good job. We're done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this workout program. Please be sure to follow and subscribe to my channel and check out my Talk and Tone workout series. Let me know if you have any questions. I do have more workout programs available on my website if you're looking for something a little bit more intense or advanced. Every little bit counts and matters when it comes to becoming stronger and healthier. I'm proud of you. Be proud of yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video.